Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Exverse token. Ticker symbol is EXVG. Now this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 24th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this project has a full white paper that you can find at lightpaper.exverse.io. They also have the web page here, exverse.io. You can find info also at hub.xyz/exverse. They have a Medium. They have they're on Etherscan. They have an OpenSea collection. They have their webpage, Discord, Twitter. So this is a gaming NFT metaverse project. It says the Exverse Genesis Pass, the genesis of everything at Exverse, and its most valuable asset, a collection size of 1,000. Players who hold the Exverse Pass will gain lifetime benefits and access to holders-only events both in and outside the game. So they have a brand new central exchange listing starting exactly, let me pull it up here, starting exactly April 24th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Bybit. So you'll be able to get it on Bybit by downloading Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on April 24th, go into the trade section, search EXVG, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if Bybit's not available in your area around the same time, most likely you'll be able to get it off Uniswap, since this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. And then also, they have a IDO Launchpad event going on Bybit starting April 17th, 10 a.m. UTC time. And that goes until April 21st, 10 a.m. UTC time. So you'll be able to, you can get involved with that if you like. So go check that out on Bybit as well. Now this is a very well-established project. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You'll see they have 144,700 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark, over 1,330 tweets at Exverse_IO on Twitter. Inside the Exverse universe, you can earn in the following ways. Playing matches against other real players in our Battle Planet, playing PvE modes and our special seasonal offerings on our Quest Planet, taking part in the community activities and supporting the ecosystem via our Social Planet, watch and earn, renting ad spaces in the game, rooting for teams, players, and more, selling skins that are earned from events or in-game progress, progressing through different seasons and VIP passes and accounts levels, completing special events by participating in activities, staking tokens against other teams and players in different modes, being a creator contributing to the Exverse universe. Exverse will be catering to the professional esports scene with its strategic partners Our players will be able to earn larger rewards from competing in competitive modes and achieving seasonal rankings, winning tournaments that are organized with our strategic partners where our community contributes to the prize pool, becoming a professional player ready for sponsorship or ambassador deals with Exverse or its partners. Our core features, it says, built on the Unreal Engine 5 for maximum immersion. Free to play, removing the barrier of entry for onboarding new users. No more worrying about creating a MetaMask. First ever gaming experience for token purchases and withdrawals with no Web3 wallet involved. Simplicity, so Exverse is designed to ease the onboarding process of new users via its simple UI, gameplay, and registration. Watch and earn, win to earn, build to earn, do it your way. Internal marketplace where users can trade their land, skins, and more. And sustainable and intricate economy developed by the world's best. So it says here, in the year 2085, 5 years prior, Earth was suddenly cursed. Plants and fungi began to emit a deadly toxin that swiftly filled the atmosphere, eradicating all life on Earth. Millions of humans and animals died, powerless against this mysterious and sudden calamity. Forced to flee from death, humanity abandoned their home planet, finding refuge in orbital stations and spacecrafts beyond Earth's atmosphere. Yet, humanity did not give up. Scientific research conducted in space on samples of Earth's flora revealed that the toxins were not released by chance. Survivors and scientists from the stations united, launching an expedition to Earth. Their mission was to explore the dangerous zones, collect samples, develop purification methods, and, if possible, find ways to survive on their home planet and discover the cause of the pandemic. In this tense drama, where every decision impacts the future of humanity, survivors face a dilemma: restore Earth and preserve humanity's civilization, or find a new home beyond the solar system. So they have the primary token, the Exvg token, and then they have the in-game currency token, the Exvs token. So it says it's actually a BEP20 token, it says here, but maybe it's cross-chain. Oh, this is for the battle pass? Oh, okay, so I stand corrected here. The Etherscan one is the EXV pass, aka the Exverse pass, so that is on Etherscan. But the actual token itself, the EXVG token, is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 400 million tokens, split up between seed, strategic, community, KOL, public, and IEO. So, and then there's staking as well. There's staking pools. There's the marketplace. There's all sorts of stuff. You can find all the information at lightpaper.exverse.io. So let me know down there in the comment section. What do you guys think about Exverse? Do you think this is a cool project? Do you think this is a good investment? What do you guys think about this? Leave a comment. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.